Today we're going to fix the Bally slot machine. We get an error code. Let me open it up, start her up.
Copyright Bally Gaming Incorporated. All rights reserved.
So I was told that this error is a battery error. So we're going to take the battery compartment out. We're going to take the compartment that has the battery out, and we're going to replace it. Let me shut it off. You pull this out. This tray. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to pull it out. So this is how you pull this section out. You have to hold this thing here, these two handles, and put your thumbs against it and pull it out. That's how you get it out. But once you take it out, you'll see the battery is right there. And that's what we're going to change today. What I bought was a battery holder, which we're going to place right here. And I bought it's a AA battery holder. Pretty cheap on eBay. And then I bought the battery, which is a 3.5 volt. But I bought it instead of this little size, I bought it in the AA size. So we're gonna put this in here today. Now I did test this battery and it was bad, so I'm going to snip the wires here, leave extra wires. Somebody else put a battery in here. Let's see. And now we're going to figure out how we're going to mount this in. So what I'm going to do is, I have a little tape here, a little double-sided tape, and then I'm going to put this in like this and just solder the one in here and put the other one in the hole here. So we can take this double stick tape off. Positive, positive. What we'll do is we'll solder this one here, and I think the other one, hopefully you could see it, the other one I will put inside the hole. Put it inside the hole of the device here. Then I'll solder it, and the other one I'll solder right in there. But the red one I'm pushing through, and if you could see this, yes, I will cut it in here, like so. See, I think I'm able to get the wire out right there. I'm going to snip it here too. So what I did was, of course I don't have professional tools, but anyway, so what I did was I soldered the one wire here and the one in here, if you could see it. I just want to make sure it's not touching anything. Okay, can't let it touch and blow anything out. Okay, now we'll go. Put the battery in now, which fits perfect. And now we'll go put it in the machine, see what happens. Make sure it sits good. And now we'll turn her on, see what happens.
Copyright Bally Gaming Incorporated. All rights reserved.
Okay, then they said there's a way to clear the error. So now we're going to reset the board. I have one of these Klar Easy Clear chips in here. So basically, if you have this chip, get on their website. What you need to do is you have this little jumper that was installed. You take the number 8 and you put it on, like so. And then we're going to put it back into the machine. Snug it in like that. Then what we need to do when we turn the power on is to hold the test and pseudo coin button until we look for a CHC and a CLC.
Copyright Bally Gaming Incorporated. All rights reserved.
So, you didn't see it on the front, but it said CLC, CHC, and then CLC. So the machine is ready to be reset. It's reset, so now I gotta finish the reset process. Once you reset it and then you power down, you restart it and you hit this test button right there 11 times. And what will happen is you'll get a settings menu, and then you have to go through the settings to get the machine up and running. I downloaded something from the internet, so I'll point the link on what they use to get it running again.